Have you ever smelled something that instantly reminded you of a special memory? That connection has a name. Today's word is associate. Can you say it with me? Associate. Let's spell it together. Ready? A-S-S-O-C-I-A-T-E. We just spelled associate. Associate means to link or connect something in your mind. Here are some words that mean the same as associate. Say them with me. Connect, like tying two ideas together. Link, like a chain joining pieces. Relate, like saying, that reminds me of. Identify, like matching a sound to the right animal. Match, like putting puzzle pieces together. Each one shows how associate means connecting things. Now let's look at the opposites of associate. Separate, like pulling puzzle pieces apart. Detach, like taking a sticker off your notebook. Divide, like splitting a cookie into halves. Disconnect, like unplugging a game console. Dismiss, like brushing away an idea. That's what happens when you don't associate. Here's a great example. Sofia associated the smell of cinnamon with holidays and warm cookies baking in the oven. So remember, associate means to link or connect something in your mind. Synonyms include connect, link, relate, identify, and match. Antonyms include separate, detach, divide, disconnect, and dismiss. When you associate things, you help your brain build bridges between ideas. The more you associate, the stronger those bridges become. Try, associate two things you've learned recently, and see how they connect. Great job, you made strong connections today. That's today's word. Come back tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.